Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today we are looking at a beautifully restored 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom Trullo, but also you've got a bit of a villa here as well with a swimming pool. And we are located just in between Ostuni and Lamie, one of my favorite areas. We are about less than a 5-minute drive to Lamie and about 10 minutes to Ostuni. It is located in the commune of Ostuni, which is currently also a 7% zone. So I think a lot of you will be pleasant because it wasn't before, but this year the rules have changed and now Ostuni falls under the 7% zone as well. Now you're kind of looking at the driveway. There's a beautiful gate at the front, and we just kind of wanted to start off with this beautifully, well, this is lit up in the evenings, but it's a nice driveway and it kind of leads you to the side of the property. So we've got a large parking area here down below, very nice large parking area. And then here we actually have the property, which is sitting up on top of the hillside, you can see. And I love the level difference. You know that, I'm always kind of saying in my videos, the level difference means so much to me. You've got the stone walls here, which also look very nice, but you've got these steps going up from different directions. So really nice position, this property. But without further ado, let's start to walk up the stairs. And again, lovely that they're all kind of made in stone. There's a very nice feel to this. Even the pathways have been done very nicely. You've got this little olive tree here with the chair, which is just hanging off. So a lot of nice details, and a lot of money has been spent on the actual finish of the property itself. So very nice to have that indeed. So you can see up here, we're going to start with the outside swimming pool area actually. Really nice because you've actually got it kind of in the center of this outside area, and then the backdrop is actually the postcard property, the Trullo with the Lamie on the side, and actually you've got the villa just behind that. So it really does make this beautiful area out here. Now what you'll see here is we also have this outside dining space, but we're going to start with the outside kitchen area here. So again, really nice position because you pretty much, if you're cooking out here most of the time, I even love these kind of basket curtains that they've got hanging. It's the first time I've seen something like this, but actually protects you from the wind and from the sun as well. So really nice feature to have. You can see you're kind of cooking here, and this is your view. I'll kind of move out of the way. You've got this beautiful view of the property itself. And again, because we're higher up, there's more air circulating here, and we do have a bit of views onto the surrounding land. So from the kitchen area, you can come through here. You've got this beautiful table outside with chairs, and again, a really good size outside space for dining. And this is where most of the time you're going to be dining outside in the summertime especially. But again, I love that you've got the swimming pool in between, and then the backdrop of the property, which is beautiful. Now, something we haven't mentioned at all as we walked by, there is a lovely shower out here as well. So also very nice to have. And you can see there's irrigation running throughout this property. So you've got selected plants all the way through, and you've got a mixture of fruit trees and fig trees and olive trees. But you've also got a nice planted area here. You've got lots of lavender growing. And it's just really nice selection of plants. The garden feels nicely chosen. Also, I love these capassoni here as well. It just all adds a lot to a property like this, which otherwise would feel quite bare. They've done an incredible job with this outside front area. I love all the prickly pears going along these side walls at the back. And again, I love that you've got that level difference. You've got the stone walls kind of showing throughout, and I think it just looks very picturesque. Now at night, this is all lit up, so it looks even prettier. And obviously again, the pool is the centerpiece and just great lounge area around it. So really, really nice outside lounge area. Now we're going to start for the actual inside of the property. So here we're kind of going into the first section, and you'll see they're kind of all independent little rooms with bedrooms, so almost like little apartments. And you can see again, the renovation's been done incredibly well. Very nice to see all the stone exposed, but it's also quite bright in here. You can see the amount of light coming in because the door is completely a window. And then you've got the barrel vaulted ceilings. You've got a very nice space in terms of how much space you have for the bed. I love these little details, and you even got a plug in there if necessary. You do have a fireplace here as well, and you've got the TV. In terms of actual cooling and heating, you've got fan coil units dotted around this house, so very nice to have indeed. And then if we come through here, you can see the first bathroom, and again, no expense has been spared here with what they've done with the bathroom and the fixtures that they've chosen. Very nice to have. Lovely that you've also got a window that kind of faces onto the countryside outside. But then also you've got a really good sized shower. And just behind here, I know you're all going to be wondering if I don't open it up, you do have a good amount of storage space, because this property, it's rented out as a holiday home currently. We are just kind of fitting in between when guests are arriving. So we are just showing you this, but it's obviously something which is ready to be worked as, rented out, but also used as your own holiday home if you're happy to have the bedrooms kind of detached from one another. So coming back outside here, plenty of sitting space here. I love that they've got cushions dotted around. It just really does cater to just having quite a lot of people in this property. And even these areas out here, lovely that you've got different little sitting areas here. Again, the irrigation system runs throughout, and I just think it's just been very nicely done. So let's go into the second unit here. Now just pushing in. This is where we have the kitchen and the sitting room space. So you've got kitchen, dining here. Look at this kitchen, really cute. Again, I love what they've chosen in terms of decor. I love the kitchen itself. I love these lights, the fridge. It all kind of fits very well with the style of the stone kind of being revealed here, but also a lot of it is covered in this part of the house. So they've chosen to not reveal all the stone. This can easily be a sofa bed, and obviously this could become potentially another bedroom if necessary. But I think it's nice to have a communal space and have an area, at least on some days when it rains outside, you've got somewhere to eat, is also important to have. Here you've got another bathroom in here, so I'm just looking around to see where the light switch is, so it's just behind me here. You can see, again, really good size, nice size shower. We've got this barrel vaults going on, quite peculiar, but also a really decent size. I love these sinks. They've kind of chosen these sinks that kind of all one unit going all the way down. Very nice. They're definitely not cheap, and nothing feels cheap or looks cheap in this property. So I think you'll appreciate that. Again, we have the fan coil units doing cooling and heating, and then we've got all the kind of automated systems so that you can set the alarm. Beautiful to have the Trullo cone here. This is the largest of the cones in the property. So this is, we're actually just entered the Trullo part of the property, but a really good size height on it. And again, tons of lights because these windows are very much allowing lots of sunlight to come in. So very nice to have that too. Now, I'm just going to keep walking around the property. Now, one thing you'll notice, I'll put up the drone because I do want to show you the surrounding area. It is in a beautiful area. We're actually right up on top of a hill here. We're going to kind of show you the views here just to kind of give you the kind of views. That's actually Ostuni that you can see in the distance there, and we'll try and maybe zoom in on that shot to kind of give you an idea of its location. But this is a hilly area, so even the in front of the property you've got lots of beautiful open space land with lots of views on the opposite of here. But again, I'll put up the drone to kind of show you, because the location is key in these properties. It's such an important part, not only the property itself, but what is next door to the property, or what do you see when you're driving up to the property itself. So here we've got another unit. We're coming into another area. You can kind of see we've got a sitting area here as well. So nice little lobby area. You come in, and actually here we've got another really good sized bathroom. This one has a beautiful bath in it, so really nice bath. Obviously, it's a very decent sized room, and you do also have the shower here, so also very nice to have the option of having either a bath or a shower. Look at all the tubing, it's all nicely hidden away. So again, a really nice, and this is actually a really decent sized shower here, you can see. So again, the fixtures, they've not spared any expense. I think they've done amazing bathrooms, and obviously it's ready set up to be rented out. That is what the primary function of this property was set up for. I think you can clearly tell, but at the same time could work incredibly well also as just a family holiday home. Maybe the option is there to actually reattach it rather than have it all detached. But again, really nice room here, good space, a little bit of storage in the niche there on the side of the wall. And then you've got a beautiful ceiling as well. Good size room. And here we've got, again, views onto the countryside. So very nice views all the way around this property. And again, I think the decor that they've gone for is really nice. The lamps are very nice, the ones on the wall. And this is a property which actually would be nice to come back and see at night, because I'm sure it's going to be stunning. Love these doors with the rounded tops in here, and then just nice to have even this little sitting area, which could be a reading room or maybe even an office. So we're walking around again here, and you can see as we're walking around, like, the property is still beautiful from all the sides. So this, we've got kind of got a different stone feel here, and look at that beautiful round window. What a spectacular window that is. Quite rare to find round windows. We do actually have a little gate here for when you're walking in on foot, and again, I'll put up the drone video because I love the land around it. It is a spectacular location. Lovely little sitting area just outside here to the right. And then over here, you've got a lot of the systems for the house. So you've got the fan coil unit system just over here. And then you also have this olive tree, which is kind of hiding the technical part of the property. You've got a little washing machine here as well, which is also nice to have. But that actually is a technical room. So a lot of the technical part of the property is in there as well. And then finally, we've got another section. So this is actually a bathroom, but I actually would rather take you from the other side so that you can see. You've got an option to go in through the bathroom, but this is actually where you enter. And you can see you've got another bedroom here. And again, beautiful barrel vaulted ceilings here. This time this tufa is exposed. It just feels like every bedroom is really different to the next. And you can see we've got, again, fan coil units. And this is the bathroom we were entering, right? So you could also have this as the bathroom that you enter from the outside if you want people to maybe have a bathroom that they can access without going through someone's bedroom. This is also another really nice sized bathroom. Good size shower. Love the sink, love this pattern on the sink, but also the fact that she's bought them for all of the bathrooms. It really does show that make the difference, especially when bathrooms are done nicely. But you can see also all the fixtures, they're all newly done, so none of them need to be changed. And I even love these lights that are kind of dropping down and kind of tube like. But again, a really bright room here. That's one thing to be said about all of this property. It is all very bright. That's always something I'm interested in seeing. And then you're kind of just walking around the property. You've got the various units and the different areas. Obviously, this is the first bathroom which we came in. So I kind of want to finish by the pool, but I've got to say, even these little cute areas here, again, level difference, the stone wall, the fig tree growing over it. I think it's really beautiful to have all of these different little spaces. But for me, the favorite part of the property is definitely the center part. It's definitely the swimming pool. It's definitely this beautiful sun lounge area. But I think if I'm just sitting here looking at the property itself, it's actually this part which I think is the most spectacular, because it's not often that you've got this beautiful property as your backdrop, as well as views over the surrounding land, because again, we are raised. I think it's got tons of potential, but also ultimately there's no work that needs to be done here. It's all been done for you with great taste, I would say. So I would actually try and get all the furniture as well and just kind of have it as it is. But all the properties we put on the market are sold actually without the furniture, unless we specifically say the furniture is included. But also that is also something which you can then talk about negotiating on after, especially for some properties where the owners are happy to give away the furniture. I think that's pretty much everything I needed to say about this property, but obviously, as always, if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thank you very much for watching.